For just 10,000 Jamaican dollars, you can get this sweet and sour shrimp fried rice from Tishane's Kitchen, or you can learn how to make it yourself for free. Let's make some sweet and sour shrimp fried rice. You want to save this video for later. So first I'm going to start with some rainforest raw deveined tail on shrimp, and I'm going to saute my vegetables. You can season your shrimp based on your liking, and these are the vegetables that I am using for the fried rice. For the fried rice, these are the ingredients that you are going to need. You can also add some sweet corn if you have it readily available, and you also need some overnight rice, that's cooked rice. Once your vegetable is sauteed, you also want to ensure that they have a little bit of crunch. You don't want them too soft and saggy, right? Once everything is sauteed, you're going to add the cooked rice, add your scrambled eggs, then you're going to add the oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, and the soya sauce. Point to note, when working with the oyster sauce, it's a bit salty, so you want to ensure that you don't add a lot, just the right amount that you need. As it relates to the sesame seed oil, you just want to add a relative amount, not too much. And for the soya sauce, it depends on the color that you're going for. If you want your fried rice a bit on the darker side, you can add more, but this is how I like mine.